Imagine earning real money just by playing games. Picture this. You're on your couch, phone in hand, enjoying your favorite game and earning cash. Sounds too good to be true? Meet Cash Buddy. It's a revolutionary app that lets you earn real money while having fun. Games are no longer just for entertainment. With Cash Buddy, they become a source of income. This app is changing the way people think about gaming. No more wasting time on games that give you nothing back. Now, every minute spent playing can be rewarding, but it doesn't stop at games. Cash Buddy also rewards you for listening to music. Yes, you heard that right. Listen to your favorite tunes and earn money. It's a win-win. You get entertained and earn cash at the same time. So, are you ready to turn your gaming and music time into a money-making opportunity? Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's dive deeper into how Cash Buddy works and how you can start earning today. One of the standout features of Cash Buddy is its simplicity. You don't need to invest any money to start earning. There are no deposits required. This means you can jump right in without any hesitation. It's risk-free fun. Moreover, Cash Buddy has no in-app purchases. You won't be tricked into spending money to advance or unlock features. Everything you need to start earning is available right from the start. This makes it accessible to everyone. Another fantastic feature is the absence of ads. We all know how annoying ads can be. They interrupt your game and ruin the experience. But with Cash Buddy, there are no ads to worry about. You get uninterrupted gameplay and music enjoyment. Lastly, the app is user-friendly. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. The design is intuitive, making it simple to understand how to start earning. It's designed with the user in mind, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Now let's talk about the rewards. With Cash Buddy, you earn coins for every game you play and every song you listen to. These coins add up quickly. The more you play and listen, the more coins you accumulate. Once you've collected enough coins, you can exchange them for real rewards. These include gift cards, vouchers, and even direct cash payouts. Imagine getting a gift card to your favorite store just for playing games. It's that simple. The process of converting coins to rewards is straightforward. Just go to the rewards section in the app and choose what you want. The app offers a variety of options to suit different preferences. Whether you want to shop online or cash out directly, there's something for everyone. The best part is that the rewards are instant. No waiting for days to get your money or gift cards. Once you redeem your coins, you get your rewards right away. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Make the most of your free time. Think about the time you spend playing games or listening to music. What if you could turn that time into cash? Cash Buddy makes it possible. It's a smart way to use your free time productively. Instead of playing games that offer nothing in return, use Cash Buddy. You'll be doing the same thing you love, but with added benefits. It's like getting paid for having fun. Who wouldn't want that? For music lovers, this app is a game changer. You can listen to your favorite songs and earn money simultaneously. It's an effortless way to make some extra cash. Turn on your playlist and let the earnings roll in. So, the next time you have some free time, think about Cash Buddy. It's a great opportunity to make your leisure time more rewarding. Play smart and earn while you relax. Join the cash earning fun. Joining Cash Buddy is easy. Download the app from the App Store and you're ready to start. The registration process is quick, you'll be earning in no time. Plus, the app is free, so there's no cost to you. Once you're registered, explore the app. You'll find a variety of games to choose from. There's something for everyone, regardless of your gaming preferences. Start playing and watch your coins add up. Don't forget to check out the music section. Pick your favorite genres and start earning by listening. It's that simple. The app tracks your progress and rewards you for every minute spent on music. Invite your friends to join the fun. Cash Buddy has a referral program that rewards you for bringing in new users. Share the app with your friends and family and you all can start earning together. Conclusion. Engage with us. We're excited for you to try Cash Buddy. It's a fantastic way to earn real money while doing something you love. Whether it's playing games or listening to music, you can make your free time more productive. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with Cash Buddy in the comments. Let us know how much you've earned and what rewards you've redeemed. Your feedback helps us improve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Spread the word about this incredible app. The more people who know about Cash Buddy, the more fun we can all have. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on new features and rewards. Join the Cash Buddy community today. Start earning while you play and listen. It's easy, fun, and rewarding. See you on the app.